Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to learn how to sign up your TikTok account. Let's begin with the tutorial. Firstly, open your TikTok app. Then after, here you can see the option of login. There you can see the option of sign up. As we don't have an account, we'll sign up. Here you can see the option of continue with Google, continue with Facebook, use your phone number or email. So continue, tap on use email or phone number. I'll enter my phone number, then tap on send code. Then after entering your email, you have to enter your password. So tap create password. You must have 8 to 20 character letters, numbers, and special characters as well. After entering your password, tap on confirm. Then they'll ask your birth date. Enter your birth date. Then tap on next. Add your profile name. Create your profile name as well. Then tap on create. Here your account has been created. Now TikTok is asking for your contacts as well. I don't want to. You can allow. TikTok is teaching you how to use TikTok. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.